lahat, sa inyong lahat, especially sa mga bosses namin. Siyempre, Tita Cory, Sir Carlo, maraming salamat. And to Star Cinema, Mr. Chris Gasman, Ate Rai, thank you. Maraming salamat. Sino ba? Sino mo dapat salamatan?
Ang dami, marami kami bosses na lang po salamatan. Again, Tita Cory, thank you. So happy to do this with you again. Yes. Sir Carlo, Direk Lauren, of course, Sir Nico, Sir
Inang, thank you, Inang.
Oh my God, who's always believed in the two of us from the very beginning.
Lalo sa akin, Barcelona pala. May mga eksena na hindi naman ako kasama pero sinasama ako ni Inang. So, thank you.
Yeah, so lahat, of course, Viva Films,
yes, Viva.
Vernick, Boss Val, Boss
Sir Nico.
Yes, Sir Nico, of course, Tita June also.
Yes,
thank you guys for coming together to make this film possible.
Direk Lauren.
Direk Lauren, of
thank
course.
Thank you.
Saan tayo magsisimula?
Hindi ko rin alam.
To tell me about the project. And to admit it now, no, parang it was the first time na parang I was not ready to like commit again. No, parang kumbaga like hinanapan ko talaga yung reason on why I wanted to do this project. And it led me...
Oh my God! Thank you very much. Nasaksihan mo lahat ng hirap namin. Grabe, sa preparation. Ano ba?
Ako, Direk, thank you so much because you created a safe space for both Joshua and I.
Totoo.
Siyempre, hindi exactly naging madali ito para sa aming dalawa, but you made it a safe space, you made it feel like we can really trust you, we can be honest with you, and you never judged us. Kapag nahihirapan kami, hinahawakan mo yung kamay namin para lang magawa namin yung eksena. So, thank you. These are the moments we'll really never forget. Thanks for not giving up the rest.
Salamat. Salamat sa pagiging kaibigan sa amin.
Okay, well, thank you, Josh. Thank you so much for this crazy,
super
crazy experience. But I feel like hindi natin malalagpas ito kung hindi talaga tayo nagtulungan. So,
and hindi tayo naging open.
Yes.
Thank you for being open.
Yes, thank you also for being open. And thank you for being present and patient. Yun, ang dami kong pwedeng sabihin sa'yo. Baka mamaya
Alam ko na.
Ano?
Alam ko na naman kung ano yung dapat ipagpasalamat.
Thank you so much. Super. I'm so proud of us and I'm so happy for you. Okay, dahil dyan.
Hindi ito ang huli.
Yes.
Na pelikula.
Yeah.
Gusto mo ba ba?
Oo naman.
So, part 2.
Happy for you.
Happy for you na. And of course, ako gusto ko magpasalamat sa'yo. Thank you. Thank you for doing this whole journey with me. Na hindi mo ako iniwan, na magkasama tayo sa laban ito. Maraming salamat. Thank you. And hopefully, this is not our last. It's our first na tayo lang.
Oo nga.
Yes.
Because of that,
maraming salamat. Thank you sa lahat, sa inyong lahat, especially sa mga bosses namin. Siyempre, Tita Cory, Sir Carlo, maraming salamat. And to Star Cinema, Mr. Chris Gasman, Ate Rai, thank you. Maraming salamat. Sino ba? Sino mo dapat salamatan?
ang dami, marami kami bosses na kailangan pasalamat again. Tita Cory, thank you. So happy to do this with you again. Sir Carlo, Direk Lauren, of course, Sir Nico, Sir
Inang, thank you, Inang.
Oh my God, who's always believed in the two of us from the very beginning.
Lalo sa akin, Barcelona pala. May mga eksena na hindi naman ako kasama pero sinasama ako ni Inang. So, thank you.
Yes, lahat, of course, Viva Films.
Yes, Viva.
Vernick, Boss Val, Boss
Sir Nico.
Yes, Sir Nico. Of course, Tita June also.
Yes,
thank you guys for coming together to make this film possible.
Direk Lauren.
Direk Lauren, of course.
Thank you.
Saan tayo magsisimula?
Hindi ko rin alam.
White gross is 450 million. So, congratulations to everybody. And, like I said, we're full of gratitude. Can we ask Chris Gasman, can you join for a photo op, please?
Just from Julina Marvin to Katniel to Don Bell and now Josh Lia. So at least pinapaalala ko lang, swerte po ako sa mga love team. Huwag niyo po lang kalimutan. Yung mga binanggit ko, box office na yung pelikula na yun. To the creative team, si Kokay at si Simon, maraming salamat for making LGBT characters na nakaka-inspire sa pelikula. At hindi nilagay lamang to elicit laughter. May puso, may inspirasyon na ibinibigay sa audience. At salamat sa inyo, dumami ang aking mga Gen Z na fans. Yun nga lang, Sir JB ang tawag nila sa akin, I'll take that.
Hello po, hello to everyone who's here. Yes, I'm so happy and proud to be part of such a beautiful project ahead. You know, cameo lang to. I really treated us one of my, I don't know, I always say it's just a mga core memory ko talaga because, you know, nakabahan ako. But yes, I'm just so proud of this project. Thank you sa lahat ng bumubuo po ng movie na to Star Cinema, Rise, and ABS-CBN. Thank you so much for the trust. I'm so happy and I'm very, very grateful to be growing with you each and every day. And yes, ayun lang. I can't wait to do more with you. Maraming salamat po.
Thanks, B. Maraming salamat.
Because we've been doing this constantly for the past 3 years, and this is my dream, to make films with Star, alam ni Chris, when I started making with them, and to actually live this.
Salamat na naging parte po ako ng movie na to. Ayun, napakasayang experience lang sa akin, napaka-unforgettable. Maraming salamat po sa Star Cinema, sa Rise, Sir Nico, sa lahat ng bosses po, kay Direk Peterson. Maraming salamat po sa bawat isa sa inyo lahat na nandito ngayon tonight. So, sobrang lang ito sa akin, mas nagkaroon ako ng confidence after ng movie na to. At magiging proud ako na ikukwento ko ito na ito yung first film na napabilang ko. Maraming salamat po.
Alam ko pa din, pero congratulations po sa inyong lahat, and I would like to thank po sa Star Magic, sa Viva Films, sa Rise, sa mga lahat ng bumuo ng I'm Happy For You. Thank you so much. And Star Cinema, ayan, thank you Star Cinema. Nagiginig ko, hindi ko in-expect na mag-speech ako dito. Happy birthday to me and congratulations, I'm happy for you. Thanks, Mom!
In a special way, I really want to thank both of you for being so open and generous in giving your insights in crafting the characters with us. We always say that you guys are crazy for doing this film. But more than that, I think you guys are so brave for taking on this ride. So, thank you very much. So, this whole experience, this whole film, this project is really made from love and passion with this team led by Direk Peterson. So, palakpakan po natin silang lahat. And thank you! Thanks for that.